Great Place to Work measures the quality of the working environments. When you evaluate companies, how important is that they give workers the chance to upgrade their skills?
We see that as being very important. Actually, it's a generational issue as well, because young employees, that's one of the primary things they want, is the opportunity to develop their skills and grow in their role. So it's extremely important. We also know that people are much more likely to stay with the organization if they feel like they're being developed and have opportunities to grow.
When you analyze and certify companies, how relevant is the topic of skills in manufacturing companies and, for example, service companies? Is there any difference?
We see it's pretty much the same across the globe. We are in over 60 different countries, and so it's very much more similar than different. But what we do find in the manufacturing sector is that the ability to develop people, the training seems to be one of the biggest challenges. So we look for the same things regardless of the sector, but there are some differences based on industry.
Today's report has marked 10 important skills for future manufacturing. There are soft skills and hard skills. What's your opinion?
I believe one of the skills is collaboration, and I think that's so critically important because it's really an innovation challenge to really close the skills gap and to get people on board and see manufacturing as a viable career. It really takes a collaborative effort, starting with inside the organization, getting every employee to be a part of this solution.